Welcome to your computer class. My name is Tracy Fridley, and I'm going to be your software instructor for today. For today's class, we are working in Microsoft Excel, and it is on all the tips and shortcuts that we can use here in this program. And so we've been using Excel for a little while, and now we're ready to just get a little bit faster, get a little bit more efficient with using the program, and that's what we're going to focus on today. So we're learning these various tips and shortcuts that will help make you faster and more efficient when using the Excel program. Our goals for the class, we'll start with a quick setup. I'm going to give you the workbook that will include all the directions of what we're going to be working on in class. And then I'll also give you the class file as well. So it's an Excel file that you can use as the same file that I'll be using in class for some practice. And then the 3 points that we're going to be working on, we're really focusing on the shortcuts. So some of the shortcuts we're working on are the ones on the keyboard, how you can type information in as a shortcut. There's shortcuts for selecting your cells, especially with special criteria. And then there is a shortcut where you can see or view some calculations down at the bottom in your status bar without actually needing to create the calculations. Then we're going to work on some automation in Excel and some really neat features that we have. We have something called Flash Fill, which will help you split or even join data together as long as it's part of the table. And then we also can include special date ranges with using the autofill tool. So we'll be able to spit out, let's say, January and then February, March, April, everything will just kind of spill out with using this autofill tool. We've got the sparkline command. Basically, they're little mini teeny tiny charts within a cell that we can use. And then we have a quick analysis button, which is a nice shortcut button that they added. You just push the button and then you can do some really quick things like adding a quick chart or doing a quick formula or even tossing in a quick sparkline. And then our third goal is we're going to be working on how you can view multiple areas on your worksheet, especially if it's a very large worksheet, all at the same time. You can also view multiple worksheets at the same time. So you could see one worksheet tab and a second worksheet tab side by side. And so just using these various tools to do that, we've got freeze panes, which we have done as a prior class, but we'll do a quick review here. We've got the split command, new window, arrange all, and then we'll also get into some annotation or note taking with the comments tool. And then as our final part of class, we've got this bonus practice exercise that you can test all these skills out that you were just working on. And I'll also give you the answer key at the end so you can check your work and make sure you got those skills down. So this is our plan for this class. So specifically the outline of the tools, kind of in the order we're going to go. We'll start class with the shortcut keys, the little tips for entering and typing in your data. We'll use the go to special button command, and what this one is going to do for us is it'll help us select cells with special criteria. Okay, then we've got a tool to show all of the formulas on your screen. We can look at your status bar to see calculations, show you how that works. This is the flash fill command I mentioned just a moment ago. We have the autofill command, which that tool, when we use it, will complete a series. And usually it's a date series, but it can be other things too. We've got the spark lines, and that was the little mini charts I was mentioning. We have quick analysis, just a button that you can press to quickly do some different kinds of analysis tools, or some of the popular ones in there. Freezing your rows and columns when you have that large worksheet. Here's our split command, where you can split your screen in half, or you can split your screen even into 4 different pieces. There's the new window command, and that's the button that we're going to use where you'll be able to see the same file kind of side by side with each other. And you can see one tab on one side and then a second tab on another side. So I'll show you how you can use that tool. And then the last button that we're going to use is going to be comments. So this is to put in comments or notes inside of individual cells as either reference for you or other people that are using your Excel files. All right, so that's our outline and kind of the order of the things that we're going to be working on today. So I hope you enjoy your online computer class. As always, if you do have any questions, please go ahead and email me, or you could go ahead and post in the Facebook group. I'd be happy to help you out. So enjoy your class.